What's up, guys? Pretty much tearing down the cars, test fitting the piping for the Vortech kit. It's looking pretty nice. Car's just getting taken apart for now. Gotta figure out the injector issue. We'll update you guys in a little bit on how the process is going. Got a little update. Mocked most of these things up. Blower's mocked up with the bracket. Intercooler mocked up. I'll get back at you guys when we can go ahead and do a little bit more tomorrow. What's up, guys? Back for day 2. On my Stillen kit, I went ahead and took off my lower plenum to go ahead and put the ported one to match the blower. So that's where I'm at right now. Took off my GTR injectors. Gonna be selling those to a local friend. Over here on Miguel's car, we pretty much got the bracket situated. Checked all the clearance issues and stuff like that. He now went over to AutoZone to go see to get a shorter belt. So hopefully we can just start it just so that we can see the pulleys move and make sure everything's good with the blower, and then continue putting everything on. So we'll update you guys in a little bit once we have more stuff to share. All right, guys, hold on. We put the belt on. We got the stock intake on just to make sure that all the belts go freely and don't hit anything. So here's the first startup. I'm gonna stand back so I don't die, and let her rip, brother. What's up, guys? Back with a little update. Wow. Miguel is trying to figure out how to mount this intercooler piping, or intercooler with the piping. So yeah, making moves. Give you a little update once we get more things on the car. What's up, guys? Little update. Got some pulleys on, nothing major. Just mocking that up there to take some pictures for the clout. But here we are. Miguel is almost done putting on some vacuum lines. Hopefully soon, once he's done, we can tune this and it'll be fun.